Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by washing 2 medium yuzu and drying them well. This preserves aromatics. Next, zest the rinds thinly with a grater, making sure to avoid the bitter white pith. This gives clean citrus oils. Once done, slice fruit and remove seeds. Combine 150 g sugar with 1/2 cup water in a small saucepan to dissolve briefly. This creates the base syrup that will capture yuzu flavor, so work deliberately but quickly to keep oils intact. You simmer the sugar and 1/2 cup water for 2-3 minutes until just dissolved, not caramelized. This preserves a bright taste. Then add the zest and sliced yuzu into the warm syrup and stir to coat. The heat helps release oils and pectin. Once it's warm but not hot, transfer the mixture to a clean jar and seal. Let it macerate for 12-24 hours so flavors meld. Make sure to shake the jar occasionally to distribute syrup and oil. You finish by scooping 1 tablespoon of the yuzu marmalade into a cup and pouring hot water or green tea over it. Stir until dissolved, taste, and adjust sweetness. Store the jar refrigerated up to 2 weeks in an airtight container. This keeps oils fresh. If the mix tastes bitter, make sure next time to remove more white pith when zesting and try adding a little honey to mellow harshness. This corrects over-extraction of bitter compounds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.